the DGP, Goa Police, for quickly apprehending the alleged accused. And I'm also happy that the matter has been handed over to Mr. PICL Patel, because he's done a very good job in Mahanand case, and I'm expecting a better job from him in this case, so that there will be a deterrent to any criminal to enter into any city and commit this kind of offense. Now my demands are, I want an airtight investigation, free of interference, which is mandatory, a charge sheet without loopholes. Then only the ends of justice will be met, and this will act as a deterrent in the future. I'm requesting that this case be fast tracked, because justice should be here and now. It shouldn't wait for years. The second thing is, I want that the installation of or restoration of CCTV cameras all over the city. Clean the city of our make-believe beggars. I call them make-believe beggars because no one has verified whether they are genuine or not. They have crowded our city. Time and again we are saying, put them in shelter homes. We are not against beggars, but we are definitely against criminal activity. Clean them, put them in shelter homes. There are several shelter homes run in the state of Goa, which are even funded by the government of Goa. And let's feed them. Now, strong measures have to be immediately taken to stop the entry of illegal arms, narcotics, trafficking, thereby reducing corruption in Goa. I'm also against festivals which promote drug abuse. And I don't think that tourism should focus on festivals that promote drug abuse. And I'm appealing to all the people of Goa to come forward and contribute towards this particular investigation, so that Swapnil gets justice. I'm also saying that there should be a strict implementation of the excise laws. Abuse of alcohol is one more reason that people crowd Goa. Antisocial elements come to Goa because it's freely available here. Yes, the family of Valki has gone through so much sorrow. We are all with them. Like doctor has rightly expressed, we are in close link with that family and we share in it. And for no reason or rhyme, a young woman has been deprived of her husband and the children of their father. For no reason. For no reason. And this is what I want society to wake up to. Today it is him, tomorrow it could be anyone else, any elderly living by herself, any woman anywhere, any man anywhere. It's not only about women, it's about anybody. It's be human. Be human and protect people. Now, maybe the doctors don't know about it, or maybe hospitals don't know about it, but there is a ruling from the apex court, that's the Supreme Court, that for emergency any hospital, any doctor, anybody can attend to the violently affected person. And I think this has to go down to society so they become aware of their role, proactive role in saving life. I
सांगा म्हाका रिक्षा कशी की जाल्या
बंद पडले वयता हांव भाडें मारपाक
हय
वासाचेर बंद पडले म्हणून आनी हांगा दवरली कोण रातचो कोण मेळटा हेल्प करपाक कोण मेळना हांगा दवरली आनी गेलो घरा कडेन गेलो न्हिदलो आनी सकाळीं जाल्यार राती कोण उजो घातलो कोण जाणा म्हाका कांय खबर ना
रातचो कोणी तरी उजो घालून गेलो कोण
हय हांवें फोन मारलो हेका पयलो हो येयलो येवं जाल्यार पळयलें हांगा फायर ब्रिगेड बी येवन उजो फायलेला
रातची
इतलें म्हाका कांय खबर ना ती
हां तुमी खंय भाडें मारताले
कदंबा
कदंबाचेर
हय
हां तुमकां आतां कितलें नुकसाण जालां आसलें अंदाज फूल गेली रिक्षा तुमची
हांव वयतालो कितले 5:30 हांव वयतालो
सकाळी
हय गाडी येवं येतालो न्हू 5:30 गेल्यार नंबर मेळटा ना गाडी खूब लागतात. खूब लागले म्हणजे नंबर मेळना थंय. खाली येवपा पडटा. वचोन 2 नंबर मारप येवप आमी. आनी कांय ना. मागीर वचना हांव परतो.
हय
हय. तिना येयलो
that the immediate action should be taken on these criminals. Then the second thing I would also want to express is I want that these kind of criminals should not be allowed in the state of Goa. We know Margao is a commercial capital of Goa, but this kind of trafficking of weapons, how do they come inside Goa? What happens? Why these pistols are just openly used? So these kind of things have to be minimized, and trafficking of this kind of weapons have to be taken care by the Home Ministry. I'm sure they will be taking action on this as well. And also, um, as a woman, I would want that we have that kind of safety and security, and also that nowadays everywhere, even if you go in a mall, there is a scanner where you can scan what is, if you have any metallic thing. So maybe such kind of business entrepreneurs should have the facility of this kind of scanners, so that, because now
that unfortunately they could not, nor the hospital could save his life. Now this has opened a Pandora's box. What is a Pandora's box? When you open the box, you find all kinds of things. Here we have found that drugs, trafficking, and illegal weapons are just flowing into our state. How they are flowing is a thing that the policing has to take note of. And if they take note of it and try to curb it, I know that 100% you can't stop illegal activity, but you can make a beginning, you can send a message, strong message, that no one carrying or manufacturing an illegal arm will be tolerated in the peace-loving state of Goa. And all Margaonkars should now be alert to antisocial activity. It looks like we are walking shoulder to shoulder with a criminal.